politics witnessed high-voltage drama once again today. From student protests turning intense on the streets to the Prime Minister delivering a strong message to the youth, and from assembly confrontations to a dramatic press conference, the political temperature remained high across the country. In the next 5 minutes, we bring you the biggest political stories of the day. After Jantar Mantar in Delhi, Ranchi, the capital of Jharkhand, has now emerged as the new center of student protests. Thousands of aspirants have taken to the streets against alleged paper leaks, irregularities, and malpractice in the JPSC and JSSC examinations. The protesting students are demanding a CBI probe into the entire matter, cancellation of the disputed exams, a transparent re-examination, and strict action against those responsible. A massive turnout of students was seen on the roads of Ranchi. The agitation has also taken on a political color. The opposition is accusing the government of destroying the future of the youth, while the state government has assured impartial action. What is clear is that the issue of paper leaks is no longer limited to one state. It has become a concern for young people across the country. Meanwhile, Prime Minister Narendra Modi today launched the Ansha Mukt Yuva Vikasit Bharat campaign. More than 1 crore youth from over 28,000 locations across the country joined the program. Before the Prime Minister's address, the youth took a collective pledge to build a drug-free India. In his speech, Prime Minister Modi said that the dream of a developed India can only be realized when the country's youth stays away from evils like drug addiction. He emphasized that the youth are the nation's greatest strength, and guiding them in the right direction is the responsibility of the entire society. Saints, governors, chief ministers, public representatives, and social organizations also participated in the campaign. In several states, including Jammu Kashmir, young people listened to the Prime Minister's address and reiterated their resolve for a drug-free India. In Delhi, chaos erupted during a press conference of Member of Parliament Pappu Yadav when a man allegedly approached him with a knife. People present at the spot immediately caught the accused and thrashed him before handing him over to the police. The incident created panic in the entire area. Police have taken the accused into custody and begun questioning. So far, the motive behind the alleged attack remains unclear. Security agencies are investigating the matter. The monsoon session of the Uttar Pradesh Assembly also began with intense political drama. The Samajwadi Party and Congress staged a strong protest outside the assembly over issues such as alleged theft of Ram Mandir offerings, the Nieti paper leak, farmers' concerns, and unemployment among the youth. Samajwadi Party workers arrived with donation boxes and small change, raising slogans against the government. Inside the house, Samajwadi Party MLA R.K. Verma arrived wearing a kurta with various issues written on it. On the other side, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath appealed to all parties to hold a serious discussion on issues concerning the public. The Bajpa hit back at the opposition, accusing it of doing politics in the name of Lord Ram. Right from the first day, sharp exchanges were witnessed between the Treasury and opposition benches. Meanwhile, a statement by National Security Advisor Ajit Doval has sparked a fresh political debate. Speaking at an event in Pune, he said that today's young generation may have come to believe that freedom means doing whatever one wants, whereas the true meaning of independence is nation building with responsibility and discipline. Opposition leaders targeted the government after the statement, saying that this message applies not only to the youth but also to the government. The Bajpa accused the opposition of giving a political color to the remarks and maintained that the National Security Advisor had only spoken about becoming responsible citizens. The statement has triggered a new debate in political circles. For now, the cycle of allegations and counter-allegations continues. Student agitations, assembly uproar, the Prime Minister's message, and Ajit Doval's remarks kept the political temperature high throughout the day. In the coming days, politics around all these issues is expected to intensify further. Stay tuned for every major political development.